Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to secure your Tonkeeper wallet with recovery phrases. Now, if say for example, you have here a certain amount of money and you want to protect it, this is how you're going to get this done. So, there are actually two ways for us to get this. The first one is here. You will be able to see an option that says back up the wallet recovery phrase. If you don't see this one, you can head over to the settings and then you're going to tap the backup right here and then you're going to click backup manually. Now, from here, go ahead and click continue right here, and then I'm just going to go ahead and enter my passcode real quick. Alright, there you go. So after entering, you're now able to see my recovery phrase. So from this point forward, I want you to go ahead and try to make sure that you have a copy of this already. You can write this down in your phone. You can take a picture of this one and then save it somewhere safe. And then from here, you can go ahead and click check backup in order for you to be able to check if you have everything right. So after doing so, you can just tap the done button down below and you are set for it. So yep, that is basically how you are going to get this done. Thanks for watching, and I hope you know now how to secure your Tonkeeper wallet with your recovery phrases.